This is going to be the Cannibal Crew. They're doing a bike race down here, and like Frankenbike is going on at the same time. It's pretty windy. I'm going to try to get some drone shots. Right now they're trying to clear the course because the races are going to start here in just a couple of minutes. You can hear Zeke over there going crazy. He's excited. So anyway, yeah, it's the Cannibal Crew bike races. It's going to be like one-on-one. You have to beat whoever you're racing against to advance, and I think it's double elimination.
So Karen called the cops on us already. We've been doing this for 5 years. Police came up and said that there was a resident who had called the cops on us because we were blocking traffic, which we were. But however, there was a drive around is a thoroughfare. We weren't blocking anything. We're just having them drive around. The officer came in, said we can't block anything. So everything else was fine. So what we did is we just had somebody standing there just in case a car came in, stopping them. Regardless, I need somebody to man that corner, and that corner. Essentially, if a car comes up while we're racing, have them wait. The races are gonna last no longer than 2.5, 3 minutes. We are here today because we had an event with Frankenbike, and what Frankenbike is, it's a monthly swap meet that meets in different locations around town. We are the Cannibal Bike Crew. What we do is we have bicycle racing events, small, local, very amateur. So if you've never raced, but you've thought about it, we have a really good vehicle for you to try that out. All right, what are Cannibal races? This is how it's going down. These are one-on-one, heads up, double elimination bracket racing. It will be you and somebody else on the track at the same time. You will do 4 laps around this circuit here. On the 3rd lap, we will let you know it is your 3rd lap. If you win, you move on and you keep racing until you lose. If you lose, then you gotta battle it out in the losers bracket. Ready? Ladies and gentlemen, Cannibal Racing number 9. Counting down from 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! So this is the Cannibal Bike Crew race, Cannibal Racing number 9. This is the 9th one in this location. We've had several other types of different races, but this is the 9th one in this style.
Fixed gear?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. You racing in jeans? Dude is racing a fixed gear bike in jeans.
Don't want to get the road rash.
All right, man, so what happened?
So I was taking the turn, and I guess my tire was low or something, or it got caught in between the rim and the tire, I don't know. I took a huge, nasty fall. I got that, and then they passed me over. But I'm fine. I'm great. I didn't break anything, so that's fantastic.
As far as you know, you didn't break it.
Yeah, I thought her bumper was tingling, and I was like, ah, but it was just in shock, but I'm fine.
You all right? Yeah. You need me too to make you feel better. I'll give you one of these on the house. Nah, straight up. I like making eye contact. We're putting some new bar tape on. Check it out.
Oh yeah.
Red and black. Trying to stay out of the sun.
You're smarter than me.
Well, I actually stole the idea. In 2014, there was a Frankenbike here with another bike club at the time called the Mid-City Mashers. They're not around anymore. Shout out to Sizzle and Adrian and Brandon and all those cats. And that was the first time I'd ever raced my bicycle because my buddy encouraged me. And it was the exact same thing. It was one-on-one, but they were just single elimination.
I feel great. I feel like this is really fun. Yeah.
You think you're gonna win?
I'm going to try, but Alexa's here. She's a badass, and I'm usually drafting her, so.
How are you feeling?
I'm feeling good. I'm feeling nervous.
A little nervous?
Yeah, first
race. So other bike crews have presidents. I am the high chief. So it's kind of the tribal thing as well as other things.
I think it's fun. It's awesome. I've done the 420 and then a couple of them.
I gotcha.
Felt like I could do better, but tired, hot out here, just having a blast.
Already racing again.
Yeah.
How are you feeling right now?
I'm feeling great, man. I mean, it was a spill. You just gotta walk up from it. I'm just doing it because I didn't get to do it the first time. But I feel great. I'm very confident. He's probably gonna beat me.
But it's already a win just for you coming out here and doing this.
Yeah, I'm racing.
Zeke is making me work. Like, these races are so quick. So it's just 4 laps around a pretty small circuit. So they're like 2 or 3 minutes, and some of these people are really fast. So like, man, I'm burning some calories out here. So thanks, Zeke.
The Cannibal Bike Crew formed in 2016. It formed October, and we count the 22nd as our official birthday. In October 2016, one of my best buds, Adrian Todd, was getting married. I was working out of town at the time, and his best friend, who was going to be his best man, flaked on the bachelor party, right? He was in charge of the bachelor party, and he completely flaked. So Adrian was feeling down, and me being the buddy I am, said, you know what? We're gonna have a bachelor party anyway, except we're not gonna go to a strip club or get drunk or do anything stupid. We're gonna have a bike race in the park. And that's what we did. The first Cannibal Bike Race occurred October 23rd, 2016. We had 23 racers, including myself. It was free to race. And what I did is I have a bunch of friends in the service industry who donated all kinds of really cool gifts. Beer tins, t-shirts, things like that. Our grand prize was a giant, probably about a 3-foot tall neon of Carbach Love Street, donated by one of the bars that aren't around anymore. Shout out to Frankie Diablos, we miss you. And that was the beginning. From there, we just had all our friends come, and we've been doing it ever since.
There she goes.
So right now we've got the last two fighting for King of the Mountain. So we're giving them a few minutes and we're gonna see who the winner is. All right, this is what we've all been waiting for. This is what all this how this has led up to. The 2 fastest cats in the field. We got Coach Ray Hope and we got Robbie Valentine. So whoever wins this wins first place, $50 plus whatever the
Hey, here, I'm gonna do another 20.
Oh, first place gets another 20 courtesy of Inesco Justin.
Yeah.
Put your ankle bracelets in the air. Corners, are you ready, corners? To the track? Waiting on a corner, waiting on a corner.
Hey, I got 20 for the loser.
Oh, we got 20 for the loser. That's to help drown your sorrows. Couple of beers, maybe cocaine. I don't know. I don't condone any of that. This is a family event.
Yeah, I like that the kids are in the background when you said it too.
I don't have children, so I
Obviously.
that
Obviously.
Yeah, who would fuck you? Wait, what's this?
20 more for the winner.
20 more for the winner.
Bar Bike Supply. If you don't know who Bar Bike Supply is, look them up on Facebook, look them up on Instagram. They are they are bike supplies at bars that stay open till June. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You get my glue, Maximus.
I've been trying to vlog today, but I don't want to vlog over here because they have a DJ, and I'm trying not to get a copyright strike. So that's the big reason why I didn't want to vlog so much over here. But so we're wrapping it up. The last race was pretty good, man. It was really close. I think I got it on the slow motion, but like that was uber competitive race.
Outstanding job, ladies. Thanks for coming out and encouraging local lady riders. $25. Let's go buy a couple of things. All right, first of all, let's give it up for the zombie bicycle crew. Swept the podium. All right, so what do we got? Robbie, second place, admirable job. Give it up for Robbie, $30. Robbie gets $30. There you go, man. And Coach, give Coach a hand. What? Good job, Coach. Ricky's and it's incredible to see all the old faces again, including Coach. Thank you, Coach. Gets $100 for kicking everybody's ass. Thank you, Coach. Oh, and another 20 for Frankenbike. $120. Good job, Coach. Outstanding. All right.
I really appreciate you shining a light on these local bicycle events because we do this for our community. This is the bike community. This are people that you see riding around all town, all over. Please don't hit us. Please don't kill us. Please keep an eye out for us. And if you haven't rode a bicycle, go ride one.